Today, the U.S. Supreme Court blocked President Biden's nationwide vaccine and testing mandate for large businesses. KCAU 9 reporter Jason Takhtadjian has reaction from local business leaders impacted by the ruling. Jason?
Tim, the end of President Biden's vaccine and testing requirement for businesses with more than 100 employees has some local businesses feeling optimistic.
With the decision today, we're kind of relieved from more of a paperwork and administrative standpoint that we don't have to mess with and deal with.
We don't have enough people right now to cover the work there is to do now, and or people available, I should say. And so by putting more restrictions on that, government restrictions on that is not good. So I'm glad that they decided not to go with that.
The Supreme Court blocked President Biden's vaccine and testing mandate that would have affected businesses with more than 100 workers. Iowa Senator Joni Ernst voiced her opposition towards the idea of COVID-related mandates.
I don't think that it is right the federal government is mandating whether it's wearing masks or whether it's getting vaccinated. I think that is a personal decision.
Tori Wingert is the CEO of Baumgars.
We didn't want to get involved with people's personal health, so for us, it was more administration. How do we administer testing and mandates and vaccinations and reports for 3,000 employees over 8 states?
While Port Neal Welding and other businesses wouldn't have been directly affected by the mandate, they would have felt it indirectly.
And we already have trouble getting supplies to keep industry going, whether it's restaurants or business, whether it's steel or the grocery stores. Big industry also helps supply the small industry, so it's just a chain effect there.
Wingert says that would have only added to the current supply chain and worker shortages.
Unfortunately, people would choose not to follow the mandate, and it would lead to people leaving Baumgars or leaving other companies in retail and distribution, in supply chain.
Although the Supreme Court blocked the mandate for large businesses, a vaccine mandate is still in play for certain healthcare workers in Medicare and Medicaid programs. Jason Takhtadjian, KCAU 9 News.